Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best top business models that you can use to start earning money online. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 3 best online business models that you can use to start earning money online. But before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me just jump right into this video. So I'm going to be talking about the 3 best online business models that you can start using, but I'm also going to be talking about the pros and cons of each one of these business models. So if you're thinking about getting started with either one of them, I'm going to give you a better understanding of what to expect before you get started. So the first one that I want to talk about is called dropshipping. So if you don't know what dropshipping is, it's basically where you find an item online and you post it for sale, and you know that you can get that same item for a cheaper price. So basically you're looking for an item to repost for sale at a higher price. So let's say, for example, you see a barbecue grill that's selling for $60, and you know people would be willing to pay maybe $80 or $90 for that same barbecue grill. You just repost that barbecue grill on a website like, say, eBay, or if you have your own Shopify website, you can post it on your website, and whenever somebody buys that product off of you, you just contact the seller and have it shipped directly to the customer. Does that make sense? Now, it's pretty easy to get started with dropshipping because you can get started today, basically, if you have an eBay account, or if you want to take the time to create your own Shopify website. So that's one of the benefits about using dropshipping, is that it's easy to start. And also, you don't have to worry about any inventory, because you're not the one that's creating the product yourself. You're just finding products that are already being sold, and then you're reposting them at a higher price. So whatever the difference is, that's what you get to keep as a profit. Now obviously, when a customer buys the product that you have listed, you're gonna have it shipped directly to them. So you're gonna contact the seller and you're gonna buy it yourself, and then you're gonna have it shipped directly to the customer. So you don't even have to worry about shipping yourself. The customer or the person who's selling that product does all that for you. Now, if you've seen any other videos talking about dropshipping, then more than likely you've seen people talking about how they make thousands of dollars in their first month with the dropshipping website. Now, this is true because all you have to do is set up your website, find the product that you're going to be dropshipping, and then just run paid advertisements to websites like Facebook, YouTube, on Google, and you can get sales right away. So that's another pro about using this business method, is that you can start earning money pretty quickly. Now, let me talk about a few of the cons if you're going to be going with this method, because not everybody talks about the cons when it comes to using dropshipping as a way to make money online. So one of the cons is that you have to fulfill every order, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but you have to fulfill every order that comes in. So you have to basically be on top of every order. When somebody purchases an item that you have listed, you have to contact your supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. Another con is that you have to deal with people who are unhappy with the product. Maybe they got a defective product and you have to deal with returns. So that's something to consider if you're going to be going with this method. Now, usually people who start off dropshipping with their own website, they get their products from Chinese wholesale websites. So if somebody buys a product that they have posted on their website, and their supplier is sending their products from overseas, it's going to take a while to receive that product. So that's another one of the cons, is that it can take up to 2 to 3 weeks for a customer to receive their product. So the longer that a person has to wait, the more unhappy that they're going to be. So that's something to consider if you're going to be going with dropshipping. Okay, so that's the first business method that you can go with to start earning money online. But let me talk about the next one. And that's going to be Amazon FBA. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys have heard about this method already. And if you guys are unfamiliar with what it is, it's basically where you buy a product wholesale and then you have it shipped directly to the Amazon warehouse, and then you post that item on Amazon, and whenever a customer buys that product, the people at Amazon, they pack, fulfill, and they ship out that product to the customer. So obviously one of the benefits when using this method is that you don't have to ship anything out yourself, because the people at Amazon, they do all that for you. They even handle the returns if a customer is unhappy with the product. So if somebody wants to return the product that they bought off of you through Amazon, the people that work at the Amazon warehouse, they deal with the returns. Now, as I mentioned, when you buy a product wholesale, you're going to have it shipped directly to the Amazon warehouse. So you don't have to worry about any inventory sitting in your garage taking up space, because it's going to be stored at the warehouse. Now, the way that most people get started with Amazon FBA is that they go on Chinese wholesale websites just like dropshipping, and they usually get their products from a website called AliExpress or Alibaba, and they get their product in wholesale. So they're getting at least maybe $500 worth of merchandise, having it shipped to the Amazon warehouse, and then they have that item posted on Amazon website. Now this brings me to the cons when it comes to using this method, because the product that you might get, it can be a bad product. So I would recommend that you first have that product shipped to you, maybe a sample order, so you can ensure the quality of the product, and once you approve it, you can buy that product in bulk from your wholesale supplier. Now, another con when you're going to be using Amazon FBA is that you're going to be dealing with fees. So you're going to be paying fees, and even more fees, because as I mentioned, they deal with all the shipping, the packing, and the fulfilling of your product out to their customers, but they're charging you every step of the way for every procedure. So they're charging you to store your product in their warehouse, they're charging you to pack, fulfill, and ship your order to the customer, and they're even charging for the returns. Now, most people don't talk about this when it comes to getting started with Amazon FBA, but I just want you guys to keep this in mind if you're considering going with this method. Now, another con when it comes to using this method is that you can easily spend a lot of money just to get started. Now, as I mentioned, people usually spend between $5,000 to $2,000 just to buy a product wholesale and have it shipped to Amazon. So that's a lot of money to invest up front just to make some money using Amazon FBA. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind. Just expect that you're going to have to put out a good amount of money in order to get a return. Now, the last con that I want to talk about, which I hear almost nobody talk about when it comes to Amazon FBA, is when it comes to ranking your product on their website. Because if somebody is typing, let's say, a coffee mug, which is going to be something that you're selling through Amazon FBA, you have to make sure that your coffee mug or your product is going to show up on the first page, because nobody's going to go to the 5th page where your product might show up just to order your coffee mug. So you have to figure out how you can get your product to rank on Amazon. I hope that makes sense. Now, the last business model that I want to talk about, I'm pretty sure almost everybody has heard of this method already, because more and more people are doing this every year, and that's called affiliate marketing. Now, if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a link that's coded to you, and whenever somebody clicks on your link and they purchase the product that you're promoting, then you earn a commission. Now, the pros about using affiliate marketing is that it's really easy to get started. I mean, you can get started for free, basically. All you have to do is just sign up to an affiliate program. And if you're wondering what a few affiliate programs that you can get started with, it's going to be Amazon Associates. So basically, when you sign up to become an affiliate with Amazon, any product that's on Amazon, you can promote it as an affiliate. So if somebody clicks on the link for the product that you're promoting and they buy that product, then you earn a commission from it. Another popular affiliate program is called ClickBank. Now, more people tend to gravitate towards ClickBank because they pay a lot more when it comes to commissions. And if you guys are wondering how to get started with an affiliate program, all you have to do is just sign up, and you're going to fill out your information, and then you can start promoting their products. So another pro when it comes to affiliate marketing is that you're not dealing with any inventory. Just like the other two methods, since you're not promoting your own products, you're promoting somebody else's products, you don't have to worry about any inventory. You don't have to have any inventory taking up space in your garage or your living room or closet or whatever, because you're promoting somebody else's product. You're getting paid to refer people to buy another person's product. Now, just like the other two methods, you don't have to worry about shipping, because the person who created the product that you're promoting, they're going to be the ones that's going to be shipping out that product to the customer. Now, let me talk about the cons when it comes to affiliate marketing. So, one of the biggest cons that people face when they get started with affiliate marketing is that they get delayed results. Most people think once they get their affiliate link to any product that they're promoting, they're going to spam it all over the internet, and then boom, they're going to make thousands of dollars overnight. But it doesn't work like that. People, especially if you're on a limited budget, you should expect to see delayed results, because this is more of a long-term strategy if you're looking to make a full-time income with affiliate marketing. The reason why most people see delayed results with this method is because nobody just clicks on a random link from somebody that they don't know and buy a product. They have to build trust before they feel comfortable purchasing a product online. Now, another con when it comes to affiliate marketing is that sometimes when it comes to affiliate programs, there's low commissions. Now, as I mentioned, when it comes to Amazon associates, they pay very low commissions. They pay anywhere between 2 to 6% of whatever product that you're selling. That's why more people tend to go with ClickBank, because they tend to average around 40% commission. It depends on the product that you're promoting. Now, another con that people don't realize when it comes to affiliate marketing is that you're promoting other people's products. I mean, obviously you're promoting other people's products, but you're basically helping other people build their brand. So, since you're referring people to somebody else's product, you're helping that person build up their brand instead of building up your own brand. Now, some people might not be bothered by this at all, but some people would want to build up their own brand and create their own business. So that's something to think about when it comes to getting started with affiliate marketing. Now, I prefer to go with affiliate marketing because this is, for me, the best way to get started when it comes to making money online. And if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you can check out the link down in the description for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. So this basically covers how to make a full-time income using affiliate marketing. And if you guys are interested in my personal recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income with affiliate marketing, you can check out the first link in the top of the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. So that's basically it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.